Epic start. Ask question. Voice start. Control high blood pressure. Get answer.
Epic AIM accepts voice to text, or the user can text their questions or topics. The same goes for most processes.
10 ways to control high blood pressure without medication, Mayo.
By clicking the microphone icon we can listen to text, and by clicking on any URL we will be taken to that site. Now we can click on the results that interest us and write the information to a report, along with the supporting links and credits. All this data returned to us has also been written into database silos for later use and continual learning. As we can see when we select the URL icon, here we see all the supporting credits and URL links, and these links are live and can be clicked on and taken to the websites. Now we are clicking on the editor icon that allows you to make changes to your report as you would in a Word or Word-like document. By clicking on the copy icon, we copy the report content and supporting URLs and metadata, and you can then paste it where you desire. Now we click on the download icon and the complete report is downloaded, and you see the results as we open the downloaded document. Now we are typing in the words blood pressure and the word YouTube next to it, so we prioritize receiving YouTube videos in our returned results. We are now clicking on one of the YouTube links, and as we see we are now on YouTube viewing videos for blood pressure. We can also do this for Wikipedia and other resources. By clicking on the voice icon we can view and learn all the Epic AIM voice-to-text commands. The show search option shows all the Google-like options we can search with, like must have this value or omit this value. Epic AIM allows for the searching of internet results, scholar-only results, and the combination of both, or with your private silos stored in the database. Here we are showing scholar-only articles and then clicking on a URL and seeing the scholar URL results. Epic AIM can make chatbots far more valuable by collecting, organizing and referencing data with Google's APIs, Google Scholar, Wikipedia, YouTube and your private data. Epic AIM greatly enhances your research efforts and allows you to incorporate your own proprietary data to be cross-referenced with public knowledge. Epic AIM stores information from general internet, general scholar, Wikipedia, YouTube and other credible sources into data silos. Private silos are simple to create to contain just your proprietary data. Epic AIM connects information in data silos in much the same way we believe the human brain uses neurons and memory. Epic AIM's cross-referencing process may lead you to discover unrecognized connections between subjects that give you unexpected insights. Epic AIM can be scheduled to automatically search for newly published information that will be integrated with prior search results and free your time from tedious tasks. Once you have organized, verifiable, and referenced data, then a chatbot can build varying document types for you.